This is my first YouTube video. Completely unsure about what to do, how to say, how to move my hands, but I think we're just gonna give it a try. Hi, I'm Ankita. I'm a jewelry designer and I've worked, studied, been a part of this industry a considerable amount of time, and hence you can call me a jewelry bestie, I guess. And today we're here to separate jewelry facts from fiction, basically busting all the jewelry myths and giving you clarity on everything that you've heard up until now about jewelry that you were just never completely sure of, I guess. Let's dive right into it. So, the first one that every single person has heard is, can silver actually really turn your skin green? Or is that just something that you've heard? So, pure silver cannot give you green marks when you wear them, but all jewelry, actually, most jewelry that you wear is not pure silver. It is sterling silver, which is 92.5% of silver. And that means it has other metal, which is possibly copper. And copper, when reacts with your skin pH, the sweat, the lotion, and voila, green marks on your skin. It is nothing harmful, just doesn't look that great, not that chic. So, a quick tip would be to cover it with like a sneaky little old transparent nail paint that will create a barrier between the piece, the metal, and your skin and will not react. Do pearls dissolve in vinegar? I know that a lot of Hollywood movies have made you or given you the picture that pearls go like vzz in vinegar and dissolve in a matter of 5 seconds, but no, that does not happen. Yes, it dissolves in vinegar because it has something called calcium bicarbonate which dissolves in vinegar, but it does not happen in a matter of 5 seconds. It takes days and hours for it to happen. So yes. A disclaimer would always be to keep your pearls away from perfume, vinegar and lemon juice, I guess. Keep them protected, keep them safe. Is platinum stronger than gold? So, yes and no. It has both pros and cons. Platinum is a denser material and does hold stones more securely. Gold, on the other hand, is lighter and does not scratch that easily and stays shinier for longer. So yeah, both have its pros and cons. Can diamonds burn? Diamonds are forever until they come in contact with 1400 degrees Celsius of possible fire. Yes, they can burn under that temperature. No, they will not burn under your candlelight, so they're safe. But house fires, maybe not. So, is white gold actually naturally white? No, it's not. Gold is mixed with other metals like nickel and palladium and then coated with rhodium, which gives it the white shine look that we see in white gold. It's not naturally white. The rhodium plating is what gives its color. And this rhodium plating often wears off after multiple wears. But all you do is a little bit of recoating and they're brand new, shiny, white as ever. Do diamonds lose their spark over time? No, they don't. Yes, the appearance seems dull to you because of all the oil, dirt, lotion build-up on it for a while. Let me put it this way. All your diamond needs is a little bit of spa day to look as brand new as the first day that you bought it. Can you shower with jewelry on? Water is not the problem. However, your soap, the shampoo, and basically everything that you use while you're showering is the problem. That reacts with the metal and usually dulls its finish, makes it a little weak, sometimes harms the stones that you're wearing also. So, a smart way to do it would be to remove them before you enter the shower. Yes, blink off before you lather up. So that's it, I guess. No, is it? So that's it. There are any other doubts or myths or just questions about jewelry that you've had for a while and you would want somebody to answer it for you and you choose me over ChatGPT? I'm here for you. I got you. Do it. Comment down below if there's anything, literally anything jewelry related, and I got you. So, was it good? Did I successfully film a decent video for YouTube? I don't know. You let me know. Okay, bye. See you. Okay, bye. Oi, I lost my. Oh. Okay, bye.